Today we have roughly 500 members across the globe. It's different. How do I make sure that the video I have is authentic? It's not been compromised by AI. So we treat AI more as a risk. One more topic that I would like to touch upon is audio.
Hi, this is Pooja from TECHx Media. We are at Intersec 2026 and we're delighted to have with us Leo from ONVIF. Thanks for joining us, Leo.
Pleasure to be here. Thank you.
Absolutely, same here. So to start with, can you talk us a bit about your organization?
Absolutely. So first of all, ONVIF as an organization is a non-profit organization. It's a forum based of all the members we have in our organization, and it's organization that works with standardization of protocols for physical security industry. So today we have roughly 500 members across the globe. It's different companies that are active in our industry, both when it comes to manufacturers of cameras, access control products, video management systems. There we have plenty of different organizations, and we're open to all types of organizations and companies around the globe. And as I mentioned, we work for standardization of physical security interfaces, and our objective is to enable interoperability regardless of the brand. So basically, all the products would share the same interface and work together regardless of what brand it's coming from. So this is the kind of basis of our organization. And the cornerstones we stand on is the actual specification work, what we do with our technology, how we specify it. But one very important cornerstone is conformance. This is something that is very important to us, and it's a self-certification program for our members so they can verify their products against the specification, get the declaration of conformancy, upload the declaration of conformancy in our database, and that becomes public. We have an open database. I think today we're counting roughly 34,000 conformant products from all different vendors around the globe. So I think this is one of our core values that we provide to end users and system integrators, this information about what products have conformance to what specification. I think it's of a great value and massively appreciate it. So that's us in a nutshell.
Sure, thank you so much for giving us a brief. Now talking about Intersec, if you can tell us about you and Intersec and how you're contributing.
I think we as an organization go way back with Intersec and frequent participants. First of all, I think it's very important to know that probably majority of the vendors in this hall here are members of our in our organization. So for us, it's a very important platform to engage with our members. Also, since several years back, we are a proud sponsor of Security Leader Summit. And we do have multiple speaking opportunities talking to leaders in the industry at Intersec. So it's been a fantastic platform for us to reach out, but also to get feedback from practitioners, from end customers, from government authorities, etc., etc. Not only in Dubai, but also at Intersec in Saudi, where we was talking at Security Leader Summit. It's definitely something we will be returning to and utilizing the opportunity in Dubai, definitely.
That's a great insight. Thank you for sharing. So looking ahead, what would be your strategic directions?
Being an organization focusing on specification and standardization of technology, we follow the technology trends in the industry. So if we look at security industry and try to understand and try to see what's trending, like what are the buzzwords, and you will see AI, you will see cloud, you will see some other topics, and this is exactly what our members bring to us as a demand for standardization. So if we talk about AI, one of the very important topic is how to protect video from AI, not how to use AI to kind of do something with it, but how do I make sure that the video I have is authentic? It's not been compromised by AI. So we treat AI more as a risk in this regard. It's fantastic technology. It's provided massive opportunities and benefits, but it's also a risk. This is what we're trying to mitigate with media authenticity, a technology that helps you to see that the video you're watching, the surveillance video, is authentic. It's haven't been tampered with. It's not been edited or intercepted on the way. Obviously, cloud is an instrumental part of this industry nowadays, and that the cloud era is here. And that also puts requirement on communication between surveillance devices and services. So we're working on standardization of communication between products and cloud services. So cloud communication to implement cloud native technologies to the surveillance industry. That's another topic. And probably one more topic that I would like to touch upon is audio. So we have a lot of speakers in the rooms, and those speakers historically been analog, but they're now going more and more towards digital speakers, more IP speakers. So it's pretty much the same evolution as cameras went through some decade ago. And with that comes the need for connecting and unifying the communication protocols for digital audio. So this is something that we're working on as well, and we're expecting to release specification during this year. So those three topics is probably the top things that are going to happen in the nearest future.
I think that's very interesting to know on the top priorities as well, and we all look forward for it as well. Thank you for joining us, Leo. It was great having you here.
Pleasure talking to you.
Pleasure talking to you too as well. Thank you for watching TECHx Media. Stay tuned for more updates on technology industry and Intersec 2026.